Hello everyone, welcome to Clueless Insanity. We are at Melukote near a place called Thottilu Maduvu. So the road to this is kind of not accessible due to the excessive water flowing here. So we have to park our car here, and from here we have to take the road around 500 meters from here is Thottilu Maduvu. Come, let's go. We have some old beautiful mantapams here, and we can see the lake over there. So the water from here flows down the hill and eventually joins that lake. Please be very careful while accessing the spot. It is quite slippery in these rocks. There is a small temple here. It is Vaikuntanatha Perumal. So Lord Mahavishnu with his consorts and other alvars and devotees here. This place is an important tirtha amongst the Ashtatirthams in Melukote. So please do visit this place, but maintain the sanctity of the place. Don't litter the place. You can have bath here. Do be careful during the monsoon season as the force is high.